It's gonna be a little chilly.
I'm a volcano. Girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be getting my very first Loc Detox. I've had my locks for about almost 3 years. On June 1st, 2021, it will be officially 3 years since I've had my locks. I've never had a Loc Detox. No reason why. I actually live with my loctician. I'm marrying her. My fiance does my hair. As you guys can see, I have some buildup on my scalp, but that's not like buildup from like months and months and months. You can see it's right at my root. Courtney just went in and she just broke up my locks at the root to get some of that retwist gel out from my very last retwist, just to make sure we're getting out all the product. If you don't know what an ACV rinse is, it is a apple cider vinegar rinse where you use baking soda, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar, and it's just really good for your skin. It's overall good for your insides and your outsides. At least the apple cider vinegar is. It just helps to like rebalance your pH, and the baking soda and all of that stuff help down to break down the dirt. If you look closely, you can actually kind of see the dirt coming off my head a little bit. But yeah, also I would like to tell you guys, in case, because nobody told me this, I would have to tell you guys, I will follow the same rules for my Loc Detox as I would for getting a perm, which is to not scratch your hair before you get it done, because the acidity from the lemon and the apple cider vinegar are very spicy on your scalp. So if you see me squinting, that is why. I definitely would recommend people following the perm rules before getting a Loc Detox, because nobody told me that. Now she's just taking some of that to make sure it's going in my roots, and I'm just gonna sit here for about 30 minutes until my hair soaks up. And she's just making sure the product has worked in my hair pretty well at this point. So at this point, I'm gonna speed it up to 20 times faster. So this is actually multiplied by 20 at the original rate at the movie, not the movie, the video is moving. So you guys can see, if you look close, that my hair is just like the longer it sits, the more muggy the water gets. I thought it would be more of a transition, but it really wasn't. But you can see the water's a little clearer now at the top. And then you'll see as I move around, it starts to get more and more muggy. And then Courtney goes in and she's gonna actually run that water over my hair to make sure my roots are getting cleaned as well. But the main part of your hair that needs to be cleaned is going to always be the length of your hair, because it's the oldest part of your hair. So the part of my hair that matters the most is soaking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But you do get your whole entire head clean, but the longest part will be soaking in the water. And you can see it's a lot of dirt in that water, and it's just so crazy. I don't know what everybody else thinks, but my mind was just like, oh, my hair is not going to be as dirty as people think. Oh my god, it was way dirtier than I thought it would be. And now she's just taking a bowl and she's just scooping that water just so she can run it through all of my hair and make sure my scalp is getting touched, because I also suffer from dermatitis. So it's really important to me that I use this on my scalp as well, because it will help to balance my scalp pH, which will help me not have as much dandruff and stuff like that, just because it's good for your skin. Now she's just going in and she is just gonna rinse out all that, and we're gonna go, and she does one wash just to get the product out. And then once she does that one wash, I went in and she did another detox. And depending on how dirty your hair is going to depend on how many detoxes you get in the one setting. Some people get 1, some people might get up to 5, some people might get 10. That's ridiculous. But I got 2 detoxes because I hadn't gotten one for an entire 3 years of having my locks. So Courtney felt it was best to get 2, so that she's just going in and cleansing the hair before I sit in for my second detox. And the second detox is the same exact products. It's just ACV, baking soda, and lemon juice. once you make sure all of my hair is covered, I'm just gonna sit in here for another 30 minutes. You can see there's still dirt coming out of my hair. So it would have been a waste if we didn't go back. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here for 30 minutes and we're gonna do the process again. And once this process is all finished, Courtney's just gonna go back in and wash my hair like regular, which is her full washing process she does, whether you get a detox or not, which is a double shampoo and actually a triple shampoo and a deep conditioner. But I get a triple shampoo and I also get my prescription shampoo used as well because I do have dermatitis. But this is the end of the video, guys. If you want to see a detailed wash, that's gonna be in my very next video of me getting my hair retwisted, and this is gonna be the whole video. I just like to add my wash portions into my retwist videos because I feel like it's a legit wash, retwist, and style. So if you're interested in the wash, just stay tuned for my next video. But I do appreciate you guys for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys at my next one. And also, do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe because every rating and subscription matters. Thanks, guys.